the shadow of the palace, where the lanterns never dim, we walk the cracked earth lanes, where the night is thin. Our hands are coldly wired, our feet are dust-stained. We share a loaf of bread, a smile that's earned, not feigned. While they sip from crystal, we drink from the well. Their crowns are heavy, ours are stories we tell. We're the quiet heartbeat in a world of gilded roar, living simple verses while they write their lore. No throne can hold the sunrise we chase each day. In poverty's rhythm, we find our own way. The royal banquet glitters, plates of silver gold. We hear the distant music, but we're not invited bold. Yet under moonlit fields we dance on barefoot grass, our laughter louder than the trumpets that blast. Shabnam on the leaves, dew that knows no rank, chant watches over us, indifferent to the bank. We have the stars above, they have the gilded dome. Both are just reflections of a world that's home. When winter bites the village, they warm their marble halls. We huddle round a fire, the night our only wall. We trade a song for a coin, a story for a crust. In every humble moment, we find a love that's just. We're the quiet heartbeat in a world of gilded roar, living simple verses while they write their lore. No throne can hold the sunrise we chase each day. In poverty's rhythm, we find our own way. So let the kings keep their crowns, let the rich hoard their gold. We'll walk the dusty pathways with hearts forever bold. For in the simple sunrise, in the night's soft sigh, we're rich beyond measure, our spirits never die.